Hayward's OmniPL Smart Pool and Spa Control System offers intelligent, right-sized control for any pool. As a member of our advanced Omni automation family, OmniPL is ready-made for easy installation into mid-range builds and renovations, delivering versatile control, flexible integration, and unmatched value. OmniPL is designed to fit seamlessly into existing configurations, expanding easily as pool needs grow. It offers 4 built-in relays with the option to add up to 4 more, and controls 8 variable speed pumps without any relays at all. It also supports 2 heaters, plus solar control. And most are even equipped with plug-and-play salt control. But that's not all. With OmniPL, pool owners can also control water features, pool cleaners, and even ColorLogic LED lights, thanks to the magic of Omni Direct Mode. And it's all controllable from the Easy Mount touchscreen, or from the industry-leading OmniLogic app, or with voice control from Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Watch this. Hey Google, change the pool lights to Sangria. Yeah, it's that easy. So to recap, whether for a build or renovation, when it comes to pool automation that won't break the bank, OmniPL does it all.